Assembly instruction. F2. Tools included: screwdriver, Phillips and slotted 2-in-1. Double open-end wrench, 8mm, 10mm and 13mm, 15mm. Allen wrench, 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm. Tools needed: scissor, bike pump. Let's start assembling your Nakto F2 bike. Step 1. Unpack the bike. Pull the frame and all parts, charger, toolkit, manual, keys, fuse, pedals, out of cardboard box. Ensure all the following pieces are included with the Nakto F2. Keep the spare fuse in a safe place. It is not used for assembly and will be used for the replacement if the original fuse were damaged. Step 2. Install the handlebar. Loosen the 4-stem faceplate bolts with supplied Allen wrench. Remove the stem faceplate and set aside. Place the handlebar on the stem correctly. Trace the front brake cable directly up from the front brake caliper to the left handlebar, and ensure the couples and wires are not twisted. Center the handlebar and tighten evenly the bolts on stem faceplate. Step 3. Install the LCD display. Loosen the bolts on the LCD display clamp with the supplied Allen wrench and set aside. Remove the spacer and clamp the LCD display onto the handlebars and align it with the stem. Tilt the LCD display to the optimal position and tighten the bolts. Step 4. Install the pedals. Locate the pedal with an R or L stamped into the end of the pedal axle, which indicated is the right or left pedal. The right or left pedal goes on the crank on the right or left side of the bike. The right pedal's threaded to tighten by turning clockwise. The left pedal's reverse threaded and tightens counterclockwise. Carefully thread the pedal onto the crank by hand slowly. Register warranty card with us as soon as possible. Keep proof of purchase in a safe place. Keep packing and box for at least 2 weeks from the date of purchase, as we do not provide a box for return if needed.